But first, there must be breakfast.
Have I ever introduced you all to my 20-year-old Weber Genesis Silver B? This thing's been outside, mostly uncovered for its whole life. This thing has been around the block and has lived to tell the story. It's a little rough, kind of like me, but this is a great grill. I went through 2 covers on it. Each one of them lasted a couple years, and then I just quit covering it. It sat outside on the kitchen patio deck of our old house, and this thing still has the original grates, the original vaporizers. It's untouched virtually, so great investment. Now I do know that they make some in China now, so I don't know which models they are. I'll find it and put it on the link, or perhaps I'll display it here on the video. But yeah, quite the investment. It was a lot of money at the time. I mean, these things are not cheap. This was maybe $500, and they say buy once, cry once. That's mostly true. In this case, it was absolutely true. Me and this thing have been around the breakfasts. I did replace this thermometer once. That's honestly the only thing I've done to it. Inside I have the Lodge cast iron griddle. We're fortunate we live within a few minutes of a Lodge outlet, and I bought this off of their seconds rack, and I went through several. This is the only one I couldn't identify the problem, so I'm in the process of getting it seasoned, so I don't know if this thing's going to stick or not. The camera will tell. Here's some Kerrygold Irish butter. It's really good. It's different than the butter we're used to. A little different flavor. I like it. Time to get the kids in the pool. These Lodge griddles come pre-seasoned, And I got to say that it's not bad. I'm able to get these eggs cooking; they're not sticking, and I haven't really done anything to it other than cook on it a couple times.
How's it going, handsome?
Good, good, good.
Good, good, good?
Yeah.
Bacon.
Good. When I do apples this way, I don't like to cook them until they're soft completely through. I still like a little bite left on them. This bread, by the way, is a thick sliced, ooh, that's just about right there. It's a thick sliced multigrain, Nature's something, the local brand we have. The neighbors are up. Saturday morning, lawnmowers, weed eaters, and it's the tradition around here. I get 2 pieces of bread. I'm carving up. We're going to do the backsplash in the kitchen today. And we have the apples. Oh, they're starting to dance a little bit. Good deal.
The dancing apples. That's just a factor of the differential between the skin and the meat of the apple expanding at different rates. Moisture coming out of them. What a treat.
Hey,
I hope you enjoyed this video. This is different than anything I do, but I was getting the cameras ready and stuff to film the backsplash going in the kitchen, and I thought, what the heck? I love to cook outside. I've got a grill, I've got a green egg smoker, and over here I have a rolling toolbox that I use for a cabinet out here, and I just love to cook outdoors. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. Back with more.